Well, Craig, as expected, a difficult away fixture. What's your thoughts on the game?
Disappointing with the result. Sort of a little disappointed with the performance as well. There were some really good bits, and then some bits like winning duels, being back, securing the ball under pressure. I don't feel we handled the ball well enough, and also when we progress through, like, we need to be in the final third. That's something that we do quite well. But today, I just felt there was possession, but they weren't really probing. You know, the wide men definitely, but you know, those areas where you create clear-cut chances. I know we had one or two really big chances, but I would have liked more due to the opposition we were playing.
Obviously, you've spent a little bit of time with the players in the dressing room there. How difficult and how important is that last message to them? Because you're not going to see them now for a few months.
Yeah, listen, they've had a long season. And I can talk tactics after it and what we went right with, what we went wrong with. It's not the time. It isn't the time. You know, they need to, they need their rest now. You know, they've had a long season. Humidity was tough out there as well tonight. But I have to be, and it's the honest truth, as a group of people all the time, they're top. They bring it, and you never, ever could fault their effort. I just thought those moments of quality, we could have been a lot better. And I, again, due to the opposition, you know, I do feel we could have done a little bit more here today.
And I guess the purpose of friendly matches is to put yourselves in positions that you could find yourselves in competitive games. I'm sure you will have learnt plenty, and all roads now lead to the Nations League.
No, you always learn. Every game you learn. You know, if I was looking, I probably might not have picked this Romania one, but, you know, due to fines, we have to play a friendly, because otherwise we cannot pay the £1 million for not playing a friendly, so we have to play it. They're the rules, they're the laws. And actually, of the group of ones we got given, this was probably one of the better ones, due to the late stages of ourselves being in the playoffs, and the same as Romania as well. So, yeah, maybe if I was preparing for a different type of situation, which is going to happen in September, maybe I would have looked a little bit different. But yeah, look, at the end of the day, it was, you know, we come here to win, and we haven't. So yeah, that leaves me disappointed.
Well, as I say, all roads lead to September. Looking forward to watching the team play.
No,
Diolch. Thank you.
Diolch.